How to buy pump token on LBank. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to log into your account on LBank. Now to be able to buy this token, head over to this search icon and click on it, and you will be able to find the search bar. Now type your token name, it will be pump. Now after that, click on this pair that have USDT. Wait a few seconds to load this page. Now make sure to select the buy option, not the sell, because we want to buy this token. Now click on limit here, and here you can set the amount that you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click here on buy pump. In a few seconds to a few minutes, this token will be added to your funds on your account. Now, if you prefer to buy with market option, you can click on market here, and you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token, or you can just type how much you want to buy by using your USDT, and here click on buy pump. So this is how to buy pump token on LBank. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.